Hello! To show you today how to create a nice, warm, high-contrast film look that beautifully emphasizes the mood of the low sun, I've picked out this video with the two guys in the vintage car. I pull up our Warping Wheels plugin on the clip and open the user interface. Today I'm working in Final Cut Pro X, but the plugin is also available for Premiere, After Effects, and Photoshop. First, I want the footage to look warmer overall, so I take the slider of the master wheel and color the image a bit towards yellow-orange. As you can see, the image is still too saturated and colorful, so I turn down the saturation via the overall saturation slider until the color of the turquoise leather seats is not quite as crazy and until I like it. Well, in the process, I desaturated the skin way too much. By pulling the Boost Skin Tone slider a little to the right, I simply increase the saturation of the skin tones again without affecting the leather seats. For my taste, the image still looks a bit flat and lacking in contrast, so now our film contrast slider comes into play to bring a really nice, hard contrast to the image. That was a bit much. Like this, I like the contrast very much. Since when I increase the contrast, the saturation usually increases again, I'll work a bit more on that and reduce the overall saturation a tad again. I'm curious to see how the look works when I play the clip. Closing the plugin will automatically apply the effect. Just so you can see at a glance what we accomplished with just a few steps, I'll show you the before and after comparison again. I like it very much in any case. So that's it. Have fun with it. Download a free trial version of Warping Wheels now and see for yourself how easy color grading can be.